Hi, welcome back to our channel. Now here in this video we will study the flower. As you know already earlier I told you about the leaf. Now flower is the reproductive part of a plant. As you see around yourself, variety of flowers are there, different shapes and sizes of the flowers are there. When we are supposed to study the flower, when you dissect the flower longitudinally, LS section of the flower, then you are able to see the different parts of a flower. When we see the different parts of the flower basically it is divided into four parts: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Calyx, they are also known as sepals. The outermost wall of the flower, this is called the sepal. They are present below the flower. They are green in color. The main function of this is to protect the flower at bud stage, as it is green in color, so it also helps in photosynthesis. Clear? Now the second wall of the flower is corolla. They are also known as petals. This is the wall, the rounded structure you see here. These are the petals, which you see the flowers, different flowers. They are the different colors they are showing. The different colors which you are able to see. These different colors of the petals, they attract the insects for pollination. The main function of petals to attract the insects for pollination. The third word of the flower is androecium. It consists of stamens. Stamens are made up of two parts, anther and filament. This is anther, this is filament, and this entire part, it is known as the stamen. Anther plus filament, it is called the stamen. In anthers, they contain the pollen grains. Pollen grains, they are the male reproductive unit which helps in pollination. What are pollen grains? Yellow colored dusty part, very small dusty particles. Pollen grains are formed in the anthers, and these pollen grains, they help in reproduction. It is the male reproductive unit. Now the third wall, that is gynoecium. Center of the flower, the structure is present. This is stigma, this is style, and this rounded part, it is the ovary. Stigma, style, ovary, together it is known as pistil. This is female reproductive part. This part is known as the female reproductive part of a flower. So the main four, इसके चार मेन पार्ट्स होते हैं: कैलिक्स, करोला, एंड्रोशियम, गाइनोशियम. कैलिक्स सबसे बाहर की वॉल जो ग्रीन कलर फ्लावर के बेस पर होती है उसे कहते हैं कैलिक्स. एंड एट द बेस द पॉइंट फ्रॉम वेयर ऑल द वर्ल्ड अराइजेस, दिस इज कॉल्ड थैलेमस, ऑन विच all the floral whorls arises. Thus, and the stalk is known as the receptacle. Flower is known as the receptacle. This is the flower: calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. Right? Now, if all the four whorls are present, then what happens? फ्लावर इज सेड टू बी कंप्लीट. जब चारों वर्ड्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं तो हम फ्लावर को क्या कहते हैं? कंप्लीट फ्लावर. और या इसको क्या बोलते हैं? बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर, हर्माफ्रोडाइट और डाइसेक्ट. इफ ऑल द फोर, कैलिक्स, करोला, एंड्रोशियम, गाइनोशियम, ये चारों वर्ड्स प्रेजेंट होंगी, चारों लेयर्स प्रेजेंट होती है फ्लावर में, देन वी सेड फ्लावर इज कंप्लीट. एंड इफ एनी वन ऑफ देम इज एब्सेंट, देन वी से दैट फ्लावर इज इनकम्प्लीट. Complete flower. Bisexual means both the sexes are present, androecium and gynoecium. Hermaphrodite, both the sexes are present, androecium and gynoecium. Or sometimes you say dioecious term is also used in case of botanical terms. That is the dioecious. Example: China rose, hibiscus, you had it. Here both the words are present, so they are not there. If any one word is absent, either stamens present or pistil present. If only the stamens present, then the flower is said to be staminate. Only stamens are present, flower is said to be staminate. If only gynoecium present, only pistil is present, then we say the flower is pistillate. And they also known as unisexual flower. Under unisexual flower, they are also known as monoecious. unisexual flower. They are also known as incomplete flower. They are also known as unisexual. इनको monoecious भी कहते हैं, unisexual भी कहते हैं, incomplete flower भी कहते हैं. Example, papaya and maize. In this way, we are able to see sometimes what happens. No whorl is present, only the petals are the present. Then you say the flower is neutral. Neutral means no sexes are there, neither male nor female. Androecium and gynoecium both are present. Simply a word that this type of flowers are also there. They are known as neutral flowers. In the same way, calyx and corolla, two whorls are there. Some case, two whorls are not present. दो लेयर्स नहीं होती, एक ही लेयर प्रेजेंट होती. जब कैलिक्स और करोला की जगह सिर्फ एक लेयर प्रेजेंट होती है तो उसे हम कहते हैं पैरियंथ. देन वी से दैट इट इज द ओनली वन वर्ड इज देयर, वन लेयर इज देयर, तब उसको हम कहते हैं पैरियंथ. आई होप हियर द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ अगेन वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो in the further when we study about the pollination. Thank you guys.